Digits on the beat.
YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started with the video, I would like to thank each and every one of you. I have finally reached 400 subscribers. I know that's not a major milestone, but it is for me because it's taken me a while to get there, but hey, I'm finally there. So with that being said, thank you all. I appreciate all you guys. So let's get right into the video. So today's video, what we're going to be discussing is I finally installed the Lighting Trendz lighting kit for the Berserker. It's been sitting in my garage for about 3 or 4 months now, and I finally found a gentleman with reasonable pricing that would do it for me. One of my buddies, he has a Hellcat, he just got his done. He told me about the guy. He was like, well, he's doing mine for 300. He's only doing mine for 300 because I'm taking my bumper off myself, and I'm gonna take him the lights, and then he's gonna, crack the lights open, put everything inside, and then give him the lights, and he will install the lights, and then install his bumper back on. I'm not mechanically inclined like that. So I had to drop my car off, which I dropped my car off on Friday. Today is Sunday, and I picked it up. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right into this video. But let me rewind. So if you guys want to know where I ordered the kit, I ordered it from Lighting Trendz. The kit itself for the 2016 through 2019 Camaro, it cost around 360 bucks. But since I'm sponsored by them, I got a 20% off discount, and my lights cost me, I want to say $265. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. We've all been waiting for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Man, that looks amazing. And yo, this thing has over 1 million different functionalities. So hold on, I have to go back into the app. So this thing has over 200 modes. Over 200 modes. You'll see right here. And watch the lights. We're on mode 2, mode 1, mode 200. See? Come on, camera, focus. 200 modes on this thing. Man, this thing looks crazy. But me, I'm a purposely ride like this because, that's my favorite color, and I got big things planned for the Berserker. But yeah, man, there's just all kind of things. And I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, keep it on the demon eye, keep it on the red eye. I personally don't really like the color red like that. Blue is my favorite color, so that's why I'm rocking with the blue, But yeah, man, this thing is amazing, man. Just amazing. So many different, I don't know why I keep logging out of that, but so many different functions on this thing. So many different modes. It's crazy. This is Berserk, man. And then one thing that I did notice about, because you have to take the bumper off, pull the lights out, peel them apart, put them back together, and then put the bumper back on. What I can already tell off the bat is my bumper is not put back on correctly, because the center of my hood, it's going below the bumper. You guys can see it's not flush. The hood is not flush. So I'm gonna have to get that I'm gonna have to take that back off and put it back on correctly. But the lights, man, the lights look amazing. Just look at these functions. It's crazy. It's crazy. If you guys have any questions, hit me down in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Like I said, I did not install these myself. I am not mechanically inclined like that. So I took it to a guy and he installed them for me. Hey, that green looks pretty hot. The blue, yellows, purples. Yes, sir. Man, this thing looks crazy. Sheesh. Look at all the different modes. Craziness. And I'm only on mode 32. And there's 200 modes. So you guys get the gist of it. You know, you can, you know what I mean? I'm just wiggling the thing right now, but you guys get the gist of it. I can change the speed of how fast it's going or change the brightness. You know what I mean? I can change the brightness. Well, who wouldn't want the brightness all the way up? And then going back to the modes, I can change how fast or how slow it flows. We can speed the process up, make it faster. And I also forgot to mention, this is the Flow series by Lighting Trendz. They have two different options. You can either have the Flow series or just the regular RGB, which they don't flow. They'll just be like this. They'll just stay like this. You know, they'll have the different modes, but they won't flow. What I mean by flow is you see the colors flowing through. So, yeah, man, I love this. This was well overdue. Well overdue. But man, I'm just so stoked and excited that I finally got them installed on the car. Sheesh. Car looks wicked, bro. You gotta love that. Gotta love it. But hey, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Hey, if you like what you guys saw, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Good feedback, bad feedback, any feedback is good feedback. Always remember that. And yeah, man, until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.